Let's do a little quiz. I play a vocal 3 times, one is original and the other 2 are changed.
And I should leave. Ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in.
And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in.
If you guessed A, you're wrong. If you guessed C, you're wrong. B was the original vocal, the character of the other 2 have been changed with the AI of Vocoflex by Dreamtonics. This plugin can change a vocal pretty dramatically, it is a voice changer. But unlike vocal changes that already exist and will change your voice in a comically and often effecty way, Vocoflex is created to get a natural sounding vocal character change. But does this AI plugin really succeed in that, and should we be scared? Vocoflex offers 2 ways to change the character of a vocal. The first way is to use the built-in voice timbre changer. It works like this. Use the XY pad to change from masculine to feminine and to change the tone.
For it passes on by. Gotta catch it for it passes on by. Gotta catch it for it passes on.
By pressing random you get different types of timbres, and when you find one you like, press apply where the new character is added as a note to this screen.
This on by. Gotta catch it for it passes 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 on by. Gotta catch it for it.
If you do this several times you can morph between these characters.
Catch it for it passes on by. Gotta catch it for it passes on by. Gotta catch it for it passes on by. Gotta catch it for it passes.
This pitch slider here can help to get a more convincing sounding voice when the pitches seem too far off.
On by. Gotta catch it for it passes on by. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then
Suddenly, ask how long I'm staying.
I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying.
This morphing can be automated.
This on by. Gotta catch it for it passes on by.
Now like this I do hear some artifacts and I'm not completely sold when I use this plugin on a lead vocal. You can also use the import voice timbre function. Use any audio file from a voice, up to 10 seconds is recommended. The plugin will analyze the voice and apply that character to the input.
I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly, ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive.
But with a function like this, the plugin has the capabilities to abuse voices of people well known and unknown to have their voice reused on existing tracks and who did not give permission to use their voices. That is an ethical issue, and Dreamtonics is very clear in how they stand on all of this and how they incorporate a watermark to discourage users from importing voice samples without the singer or voice actor's consent. That said, I ripped 2 voices from YouTube and used 2 audio clips without any issue or getting any notification, so I have no idea how this works in practice. Often the new timbres mess with the pronunciation. I mean, I have my issue, but this plugin changes the original pronunciation in often weird ways. Check for instance how the word people changes here.
Country's entitled to send 2 people.
Like every country's entitled to send 2 people. Like every country's entitled to send 2 people. Like every country's entitled to send 2 people. Like every country's entitled to send 2 people. Like every country's entitled to send 2 people.
Before I abuse my voice with Vocoflex, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. This video is made possible by DistroKid, the best choice for musicians looking
To get your music onto streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. It's fast,
Easy to use and affordable. Plus, with DistroKid, you'll keep 100% of the royalties you earn.
and get unlimited uploads. Give it a try and see why so many artists are using DistroKid to distribute their music. Get 7% off of your first year by using my link.
In the description below.
Overall, I find that this plugin works best with vocal melodies and less with spoken word. Sometimes the voice change sounds convincing, often it doesn't sound convincing enough. But for something like creating vocal doubles with a different character or harmonies, this plugin can actually work rather well, especially when you can use multiple takes of the same singer. The slight variations will help in selling the overall sound.
And then suddenly you ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly you ask how long I'm staying. I don't know if I should go or dive my head in. And then suddenly you.
Let me know in the comments what you think of an AI voice replacer tool like this.